Not me! Penalty! Wrong 2.
Oh.
6.
8.
3
Minus 2.
equals 1.
Final round. Ready? Go!
Oh, bother.
Let me lend a hand. Or 2.
Thanks, 2. Up there, please.
1, 2. Yay! There.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, crawl!
He can run really fast. In a blur. Speeding past. He is up to block. Up to block.
Octoblock, run! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run!
He's an 8-legged hero. He's strong and he's stocky. Sort of an octopus, only more blocky. He is Octoblock. Octoblock.
Octoblock! What do octopuses do?
He can swim and breathe seed like a weird millipede. He is Octoblock. Octoblock.
Octoblock, swim! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swim!
He's got 8 legs. Or maybe they're arms. When he gives you 8 hugs at once, you'll fall for his charms. He can knit you a great woolly blanket. He can cook you an 8-course banquet.